Updating your billing address with Randolph Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the Randolph Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select billing address update. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter your new address. Input your new billing address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any typos or errors to ensure accurate processing. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new address, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. Make sure to keep your information up to date to avoid any issues with your account. If you encounter any problems, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.